Alright guys, my FPV guys, what is this? Look at this thing. This thing is huge. It's like a VTOL. It's a drone. It's almost like a military drone. It is so big, so huge. You have a V-tail on the back. It's a mixture of everything. So I'm sure it's a VTOL. Obviously it goes up, and then you have the propulsion back here as well, so it can propel itself forward. There's a lot of engineering going on here. Even the props has like the winglets, so it reduces noise, less turbulence, better efficiency. I don't know if that's real carbon fiber or not, but I think it's a wrap, but it looks good. So here we go. UAV as a VTOL type. Various mission reconnaissance, monitoring. 10 grams or kilograms of payload. Max takeoff weight 330 pounds max. The payload is 44 pounds, so it can carry 44 pounds of something. 30 nautical miles, that's like around 45 miles. Max speed, that's 80 knots. So that's pretty fast actually. That's like around like 90, 93, 94 miles an hour. That's not bad. And cruise speed is a little bit slower. Not bad, that's huge. That is huge. But there's your camera right there. You talk about an FPV camera. In fact, there is an actual FPV camera there as well. So maybe you can wear goggles and fly it, and then if you have your sensors here, whether it be infrared, thermal, whatever, you have it here as well. So that is legit. That's a nice looking drone. Now that's a drone. How much is that gonna cost?